So as I was saying, abantu abasalubandla behamba nale mkhumbi inqaba. Baningi abantu abasalapha. And le moya labo bantu le ayiphumule iningi layo. Miningi imoya yabantu yaphelela emaplazini abelungu igqitshwa la isikhathi sinithini lwela yini inkululeko. Baningi abantu abagqitshwa lapha emaplazini abelungu bebulawa amabhunu. Lapha ku-Harry Smith kuyale ku-Bloemfontein, Senegal, Bethlehem. Yonke le ndawo le. Ningathuki nje mase bakhona into equbukayo eSenegal. Siyayazi lonto kade futhi sayikhuluma nje. Umhlola ke enzobona ke usevelela wona. But iminingi imoya yabantu esayilanda lapha. Bafa abantu bengatholwanga na imindeni yabo kuze manje. Bese nithi nizohlala ke nikhuleke kahle yonke into ihambe kahle kuse nezinto ezingaka ezingalungisiwe. Angeke ilunge imiqondo yenu uthini izenze izike ngoba lihlezi esimeni esinjalo. Akusikona la edeni phela uma ukhuphuka nje nezwe inkinga nje yafana iAfrika yonke. La khona umuntu omnyama kunale nkinga. Ngisho ungawelelo yale eAmerica ufica into eyodwa uthi ama-Caribbean Island into eyodwa. La khona umuntu omnyama sinale problem yokuthi siphethuliwe futhi sihlangene nesimo sokuthi sinabantu imoya bengaphumule neze because even lapha eAmerica ngayaboniswa into imali umuphi mvula ngakhohlwa igama layo kunomfula lapha engangazi ngokwazi ukuthi bangithatha bangikhombisa khona ukuthi la kunabantu ababephoswa la. Fika ngikhipha abantu lapha emfuleni sihleli ngaphandle omfula bangiqoqela yonke into ukuthi bakwenzakalani lapha. Ngihamba ngokomoya nje. But yeah, Chattanooga. Chatter something river. Chattanooga I think. Mangikhumbula kahle. But yeah, emuye futhi imvula ke leyo emhlabeni powerful ukuthi njengoba siyangcoliswa. But yakuthatha nje emandleni ayo ukuthi cha ayingilandi ngoba moya ukuthi ngizokhipha lapha abantu lapha abahluphekayo. Now kusekuningi kusamele kwenziwe kulungiswe le moya yabantu bekhathazekile ngajabuli ebhlungu kusekuningi. Now umqondo wakho vele ngeke uzeke impela makusenjalo. Now ngiyabona niyakhuluma niyabuza ukuthi kwenziwe njani. Into yokuqala efanele sifunde makithi nami ngayifunda kanzima ukuthi fundisa ukuthulisa ingqondo. Silence. Practice silence. It's very important. You have to practice silence. You have to practice mindfulness. Le mindfulness was not difficult for me ngoba vele kusukela ngisemncane mangingene endlini I'm able to perceive almost everything yenzakalayo khona. Ngokunyathela nje ngaphakathi. La ngihamba khona I tried ukuba aware what's happening all the way around me. So you have to be mindful. You have to be aware. Watch things. ezenzakalayo empilweni yakho. Notice the patterns. Notice the patterns. Because if you train your mind to do that, it will be able to do that on a subconscious level. So even if you're doing your astral projection, uzokwazi ukuthi umqondo wakho ukulandela. Because that's a problem, is that if umqondo wakho uxabene unomsindo, when you astrally project, your subconscious brain wants nothing to do with your mind. That's why some of you can't control yourselves in the astral projection. You can't do izinto, and then you come back and you panic, and then you can't go back into your body, and then you're saying, yeah, you are astrally projecting, but you don't know what you are doing. You're panicking. You just left your body. But your mind is busy. So you don't know what you are doing. You can't even remember what bukuphi wabuya manje sefawungena futhi usunenkinga. It's very important because even in your dream, when you dream, your subconscious mind will need to have cues of your personality. Izinto ongavumi ngazo, izinto oyivumelayo, so that it knows how to inform itself. Understand? So if your mind is busy, kuningi okuzokwenzeka kuwena in your dreamscape ungakwazi ukuvimba because you are helpless. I call this bringing the body, the mind, and the spirit into one. Uyisa umqondo uhlangane bewodwa. Now, it's very key. I'm also constantly working on this because I want to bridge the subconscious and the conscious mind. It's like, basically what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to activate the rest of my mind. Because if you know, they will probably tell you ukuthi umuntu usebenza about 5% or less of their brain. But then lo munye 95% usebenza ngesikhathi ulele. Now, what if you can make sure ukuthi that 95% works even in your waking? That is what makes a difference between people with a gift and people who don't have a gift. You didn't know? Certain people, these people who are abandoned gifts will probably have access to a huge chunk of their brain. Angisho ukuthi hambani wenza ama research nifaka abantu ama pets like makhanda madokhosi. Just so you know, don't tell white people this. Ukwazi ngifaka ema lab. So anyway, bringing the conscious and subconscious into one, that's what you should try to do. It's a task very difficult. It's a task engena tangible outcome, but it's a fulfilling task because you then learn ukuthi your mind is affected by a lot of things ezenzeka kuwena. So now you are forced ukuthi kumele manje uyothola ukuthula lokungaphakathi, inner peace, very key. But now the problem is you run into the conundrum ukuthi you can't get ukuthula ngaphakathi ungenayo inner happiness, ukujabula ngaphakathi kuwe. Now you can't get ukujabula ngaphakathi kuwe if you have not made le nto ethi ngithulula yonke imithwalo yami ngiphethe. Get rid of your regrets, get rid of all your crimes, all the things that you know you're unhappy about. Uzidedele. Forgive yourself, forgive others. And accept ukuthi awazi lutho. That was the biggest revelation for me, is that you need to internalize that between the universe and you. Ziningi izinto ongazazi. So you cannot be stubborn and think ukuthi you can inform everything uyenzayo ngalo 5% of your brain and think ukuthi uhlakaniphe kakhulu wazi yonke into. Now, it's sort of counterintuitive, but I'm sure anyone who has a sane mind understands ukuthi if you accept that, then you accept ukuthi you need to learn. Constantly learning. Every day you learn something new from the universe, from the elders. That's why I always complain ukuthi nina nesipho sabantu abadala, nihlala nabantu abadala kodwa anihlali nabo and understand what's going on about this and this and this and this and this. You get no instruction from them. That's why nizithola senhlangene nemoya engayazi, because nizwe kuthiwa abantu abadala and then you just go with that, but you don't get to know them. Animazi nangamagama umkhulu benu nogogo benu laba enithi yibo abaninenzisa izinto.